right, so this is our new genre, poetry. What is poetry? Poetry is writing chosen and arranged to create certain emotional response through meaning, sound, and rhythm. Dylan Thomas defined poetry this way. Poetry is what makes me laugh or cry or yawn, what makes my toenails twinkle, what makes me want to do this or that or nothing. So here is an example of a poem. Keep a poem in your pocket. Keep a poem in your pocket and a picture in your head, and you'll never feel lonely at night when you're in bed. The little poem will sing to you. The little picture will bring you a dozen dreams to you at night when you're in bed. So, keep a poem in your pocket and a picture in your head, and you'll never feel lonely at night when you're in bed. So on the next slide, in your own words, you are going to tell me, what is poetry? So with these, before we go on to that, the poetry slides that we're going to be getting into, we will have a lot of back and forth. So you will watch a short video and then you will type in some answers, watch another short video and type in some answers. So just be prepared to do that. So again, on this slide, you're telling me in your own words, what is poetry?